to Black Orchard Meats.
We are about to crank up the scares to 13 here at Black Orchard Meats here in Shelbyville, Kentucky. This is a full touch, full contact, interactive hunt. The story is that this slaughterhouse's meat is not exactly ethically sourced, but the best part is we're gonna take you inside with us. So without further ado, let's go get some scares.
Trevor, don't let them eat us back there.
I'll try not to. No promises though.
You gotta block them. There's some crazy sounds coming from in there. I can tell you that.
I think we're being stalked.
Those chainsaws are probably just them cutting firewood or something, right?
It's getting a little chilly. It's
Nice dog, just like I like it, ain't it? Oh, follow me. Come on in.
Oh, sorry.
Now, allow me to explain my absence. You see, my elder brother Atticus and I, we were having a little disagreement.
Oh?
You see, he liked how he was running this here facility. I didn't. I thought he was a little too soft. I thought he was a little too, for lack of a better term, basic. You see, he wanted to do what all the other greats have already done, you know, harvest flesh and meat. Now, it's not to say we stop the cannibalism, because absolutely not. Why stop a good meal? Right?
If it's working,
right.
Don't change it.
Hey, you know, you don't get these abs from not cooking a good meal. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Now, we just harvest something a little different now. We harvest fear.
Uh-oh.
That's right. Every time you make that little scream like you just did, you just fed the barn.
Oh.
Every time you jump a little bit or feel a little awkward or uncomfortable, you just fed the barn.
Uh-oh.
Every time you pray to your God, ask Him for forgiveness or mercy, you just fed my barn. Are you ready to find out what real fear is? What that real lack of control is? We ready?
Yeah.
Yeah. You ready to see why Bray is the way?
Yes.
You ready to see what's in the barn?
Yeah.
Yeah. Then welcome to Black Orchard Meats. Right this way to the red room.
To the red room.
Trevor, what's the sketch level?
We're at a 9.
We're at a 9.
We're at 9.
already.
I'm with you.
Yeah.
This don't look like no meat packaging facility or nothing. What'd he say? Yeah. We're always having a good time. Soup balls. Holy crap. Oh, that's not fair. What are you doing?
On his ribs.
Oh, Trevor's ribs.
No, they're gross.
Full rack or half rack?
They're all cartilage. You wouldn't get anything out of them.
God dang it. What is that? Thank you. God, what is that?
No.
I think he needs some.
No. We're moving right along. What the? No.
What's that?
Oh, I thought that was a person.
It is a Is it?
No.
Okay.
I think Trevor escaped that one.
I think barely.
I did not.
But I my chinny chin chin. I got out of there.
It's like jelly.
Oh.
Biggie! Come on, Biggie, let's go! Here, Biggie. Oh my God, he's smoking. Come on, Porky, let's go!
Smoked meats.
Yeah, it was
Smoked meats.
smoky. They're getting some fast food tonight. Oh no.
The fastest if they can catch me food.
Yup. God. Oh, no.
Look at all these piggies coming. I have been starving.
You have? Okay.
Sir, I am not
Oh
swine.
God, well.
Now, I get to choose which piggy I want.
Oh, not it.
Not it. Nose goes.
This little piggy's going home.
You smell like you'll taste nice.
Oh God.
This
No, why? Uh-oh. Oh no, that's creepy as shoot.
Who is that?
I hear somebody talking on a radio.
What you got there?
Oh God, what is that? What is
Bunny?
that? They were real! Oh, shit. Yeah, he needs tons of
Hi,
it.
baby.
Oh, he got
Okay, no. Oh, no. I'm not taking a bite. What is that?
I already got some. Oh, no.
It's not his meat. What
Oh, what is that?
No!
I'm good.
What is it?
It's meat.
It's jerky.
It's skin.
Uh-oh, he's yelling my name.
Do you have more?
There is no Nora here.
No.
Oh.
I heard a lot of screaming.
Not me.
Not it.
It's all coming from her.
Oh, God.
Oh, I believe it was Nora. She's always got to be yelling and screaming when I'm around. I ain't quite sure why.
She gonna put the fear of God in Ethan over there.
In my barn, we have a special meat, not just burger, pork, or fowl. It's a very special meat. But in this room, I can't talk about it. So follow me, especially you. Come on.
Can't talk about
Can't talk about it. I'm not gonna talk about it.
So, when my butcher is done with your bodies and you have been processed, do you know what the special meat is now? What?
It's people.
Good job! So you'll come back here with me and you'll hang out with Bertha, Michael, George, or Fred,
Oh, I'm glad they got
Why are you in my shop?
and our newest
She let us in here.
Come here.
Oh.
Get over here. Why are you in my shop?
I'm hungry.
You're gonna be the food.
Yeah.
That's not what they said outside.
It was that nephew of yours.
Whoa. Hey, I'm not free.
Stay together.
It's $20 an hour.
I don't like that at all.
Oh, God, they got Ethan.
Holy crap.
Sparky.
What the fuck is that? A big ass goat. Fuck no.
Oh, God.
Hi, buddy. Who's skinny got on there?
What is that? Oh, God.
Oh, God.
Oh, that's beautiful. Hey, what the hell? No!
What are you doing?
Oh, I'm not.
Oh, God.
Oh, God.
No, I don't think I knew that.
Why are you doing this voluntarily?
They're gonna make me if I don't!
Oh, God. What are they doing?
Oh, no! Trevor, help!
You know, I really appreciate you taking the
Matt,
time
I'm
so that we
taking
can
me.
live.
You don't want me.
Sacrifice yourself.
You're next!
You already got her. You already got her. She's way faster than me. I gotta go. Oh.
Come on, Trevor! Oh, he's getting up there.
Trevor's up.
Okay. Oh, you got another one!
Oh, God. Oh, my. Trevor, we really appreciate you taking one for the team. Oh, time to go. Time to go. Time to go.
This is way too
He's behind you.
Alright.
He's behind Trevor.
He's not done with you, Trevor.
I'm good.
I just given some human flesh earlier. That was real
Oh my
tasty.
God.
So I'm looking for more of the human
I
flesh.
already had a bite. I already had. Oh my God, yum. So good.
Oh, what the hell?
Yum.
We haven't seen him here in a long time. Oh, I got a lot of goo on my hands. It's so
What's in the
sticky.
pan?
Moisturizer. Too small.
What's in the
Mine's too
pan?
small. Ew, I don't know.
That's good.
Biscuits and gravy, maybe? Oh, that's the lotion? Ew, it's lotion or something.
They're gonna
It's,
bait. They're basting.
It's human fat.
Ew.
I was like, I hope there's not something hiding in that bin.
Those guys outside are really hard workers. I can hear them still chopping wood.
Yeah, they're doing a good job.
What you got there?
Oh no.
What are we filming?
What is that?
I don't know. It's part of the He's filming us.
I just want some photos, onions.
Oh God.
Oh no.
What is in there?
Oh, what the heck is that? Oh God.
There's a lot of stuff
Oh,
happening here.
now they're cleaning.
It'd be no different.
That's nice of them.
All right, Miss Laura. In this next room, we'll be getting branded.
Branded?
If you are not branded, you are a defect.
A defect. Oh no.
So we want to be branded.
Oh no.
Ew, no, that looks wet.
Take a bite.
Take a bite.
I really took a bite. That didn't taste like the flesh they
Don't
gave
do
me
that.
earlier.
Holy shit.
Tears for my dollies. I need new toys.
I
like
y'all so much, pretty little baby. Come here.
Ethan got branded. Ethan got branded. Oh my God.
Baby.
This one's got a shank.
A shank. They all have their number tags. What does that mean? What?
Whoa, lollygator, look at this big guy.
Me?
Come here. Oh yeah, come here. Right there.
Oh.
Right here. Come on, right there. You don't need that thumb, do you?
I got you.
Crap! Oh Lordy.
Guess what? You're the new leader.
A leader. Oh.
All right.
Oh, Trevor's first.
Come on, get your head out of that shovel. Let's take a chop.
Uh-oh.
Ready?
Oh God.
I can't even see him. It's so foggy. Ah! See?
Easy, Piggy.
Body. Whoa.
What the hell?
Damn.
Oh no. Oh no.
That's the last place I would have checked. Oh no.
You want to try some?
I'm good.
Trevor does.
I'm good.
It's really good. Are you sure? You want to try
I'm
some?
actually a vegan now.
Piggy.
All of a sudden, did you?
Oh no.
No?
Did you?
Did I what?
Did you eat?
Yeah.
No, you didn't. I don't see nothing on your face.
I did. It's all
You
over
did?
my face. Yeah.
We've eaten well.
You smell delicious.
Oh God.
Oh my. Oh God.
I want some eggs.
Oh no, I'm using them right
I
now.
think We got a dance?
There was something underneath of that.
Where the heck's he going?
Is he gonna go
Did
warm
it go?
Oh my. We're up overhead. Oh God. Big pieces. Big pieces.
Okay, I'll go this way too.
Where are you running away from?
Stand right here, they don't see us.
You're on the show. Flat now.
Holy freaking crap, you guys. Black Orchard here in Shelbyville, Kentucky. They were not kidding. It is a very immersive, interactive touch hunt. If you're anywhere near Central Kentucky, make sure you stop here and pay these guys a visit. They have some of the finest meats there are here in the Midwest. Tell them the Scare Factor sent you. If you want to see some more bat hunts like this one, I've got the next one linked for you right here. We'll see you in that video. Until then, stay scary.